This video is sponsored by Eufy. So we got a really awesome Eufy home vac to talk about. It sucks in the best way possible. Before I get to talk about it, I do want to thank you guys doing this now for I think almost 6 months. Chance just to give something back, say thank you for the years of support. I've been luckier than I have any business ever being in just a small way to say thank you. So for watching this video and videos in the past, I want to give you a chance to win $500 to whatever you want, a gift card of your choice and then the country of your choice. Wherever you are on this planet, you are able to win. We're gonna run this giveaway for 10 days. All the information will be in the description. Just give the video a thumbs up, leave a comment down below on what you would do with the vacuum. And I wanna emphasize this greatly. Leave your social handle in the comment so that I can contact you if you win. Because if you win, and it's not there, I have no way to reach you, and that would suck for you. All right, let's talk about some vacuums. So there's a saying that I heard about in school. There are a few certainties in life. Death, taxes, and dirt. I'm not sure that's how it went, but it was something like that. We all accumulate dust, dirt, and grossness throughout our day. No matter who you are, no matter how clean you are generating gross things. Sorry, but it's true. And even though it is inevitable, keeping your space clean can still be possible. And obviously, I am looking for the best tools to help. So I've talked about a number of vacuums on this channel in the past few months, but this one hits a little bit different. Ladies and gentlemen, meet the Eufy Clean powerful handheld vacuum that I think punches above its weight class. And I had a joke in my head, I was gonna call it a euphemism about the vacuum. But my euphemism here is that this one is actually really good, does its job, doesn't take up a lot of space. So handheld vacuums, you probably are aware, have been around for a long time, right? First one actually was released all the way back in 1979. The general function has stayed the same. It's small, portable, runs on battery, and it's great for places that sort of can't fit a full-size vacuum. They've always had a big major problem, that's power. If you've ever used a handheld vac, you know that they are not great for big messes. But that's where Eufy's innovation in the vacuum space, I think is generally showing off here. It's like a Eufy flex. There's your euphemism. So the Eufy Clean bumps the suction power up significantly. So it's using a multi-blade motor inside. It's going to spin at 100,000 RPM, delivering more than double the power of competing vacuums. Then you pair that motor with Eufy's Tri-Power system, you got a pretty solid combo. So this whole Tri-Power system incorporates kind of a wind tunnel, or the opening nozzle that provides straight, non-destructive air duct. It's a euphemism. So there's a powerful motor and the battery. So when all that is put together, you're getting 80 air watts, which is a real term of measurement of power. If you didn't know, an air watt is a measure of motor efficiency in relation to airflow. So for reference, it's generally thought that 100 AW is best for a full-size upright vacuum. So having 80 here is pretty impressive, especially considering the size. Having that power in a portable vacuum means that I can clean many different places in many situations and not take up a whole closet worth of space. And this is sponsored, obviously, but this is a real use case for me. 3 kids and a dog. It is dirty. And generally we leave our sliding door open so the dog can go out into the yard, do her business, and come back. We have some construction going on near us, so dust and dirt is constantly getting into our house. My middle kid has allergies, so it's a real struggle to try to find a balance of like, I can't clean all the time. My wife can't clean all the time. And my kids try to do their best, but they're kids. This has really been a helpful tool in just having something small. We can keep it in the pantry and just vacuum things up and go back to work when I just need to hit a small spot. If any of those use cases ring true for you, this might be something that you want to look at. You take all that stuff and you couple it with just gross dog hair and things the dog brings in on her feet, or sometimes presents she likes to leave us that she hunted in the backyard. It's nice to have something that can sort of clean those things up. Another use case too that I didn't really think I would use this for was a car. It's a great way to bring it outside and sort of be able to vacuum the seats or sort of get those little areas of grime up. Ordinarily you couldn't get obviously a full vacuum or something that you would previously need kind of a hand vac for. The Eufy Clean clearly has plenty of power to get the cleaning job done. What makes it effective is the convenience features that it comes with. So first, it is like not so lightweight. It weighs 808 grams, so just under 2 pounds, and is super easy to take with you anywhere you need. But in that lightweight package, you still get all the versatility that you would want. So the 250 milliliter dustbin with dust scrape tech. Basically, there's a rubber ring that encircles the filter, so anything that gets sucks into the filter gets removed and cleaned when you empty the bin. And with one button, you can empty the dustbin and clean the filter. They made that whole process really easy. The filter is also washable, so after a time it gets dirty and gross, clean it yourself, and maintain the performance of the vacuum. And to make cleaning as efficient as possible, there's different accessories also for different locations. So in the box, you're gonna get the mini motorized pet brush, which basically functions as a sort of a mini upright vacuum. This is probably the one I use the most and my favorite. You also get a 2-in-1 crevice tool, which is great for those kind of hard to reach areas. And if you just need something to clean quick and you don't need sort of any of those attachments, you can just use a vacuum on its own. Oh, and another cool feature too, it's got a built-in LED light. So when you're cleaning in tight spaces, it often means dark, like your car, for example. The built-in light actually helps you get a better look at what you're cleaning. So actually, there are a few different versions in Eufy's H30 range. The one that I'm using is the H30 Mate. They also have one called the H30 Venture and the H30 Infinity. The difference there is going to be attachments and different usage scenarios. If you want to learn more about any of them though, we'll have all the links down below. All of this is built in, and all the accessories can be stored in the charging station as well. Now, and speaking of charging, the Eufy Clean, pretty powerful and convenient, but it's also got to mean battery life is weak sauce, right? Not really, actually. So if you didn't know, Eufy is a sister company to Anker. That same Anker that makes one of the best battery packs on the market to charge your tech with, and they've used that battery tech and the innovation that they've learned in this vacuum. So inside, you got a 2,500 milliamp hour battery that gives you 20 minutes of regular suction, my favorite, 10 minutes of max suction. And again, if you've used any other vacuums like this, you know battery life is never great. Eufy claims that this is actually double the battery life of the competition. Even so, 20 minutes is plenty of time to take care of whatever mess you need. Really, if you have 20 minutes of mess to clean, you got way bigger worries than your vacuum dying on you. When you're done, you just put it in the charging station and you're ready to go the next time your kids make a gross mess. Plus, batteries are removable too, so if you want, you can always get extra batteries. Continue to clean as long as your dirty self needs. So that's the Eufy Clean. Does exactly what you'd expect, but does it really well and does it in a smaller, more compact package. This is something that I think is a really nice addition to a lot of the robot vacuums that people have in their homes for quick spot cleaning or more deep cleaning. It's been really nice to have, especially if you have allergies or kids with allergies. It's been a really invaluable tool to helping my son just be able to get a good night's sleep without waking up with his sinuses clogged and those red eyes that just make my heart sad. If you want to check this out or pick them up for yourself, you can actually buy the Eufy Clean handheld vacuum HomeVac H30 on Amazon. We made it really easy. I'll put a link down below.